Welcome. Give me a phone, to church. Yeah. Whew. La la. Welcome. Welcome. Welcome, guys. Welcome to today's edition of Market Overview by DAOM Empire, the 11th edition. The 11th edition of Market Overview Live Analysis by DAOM Empire, which your servant leader is Mr. Diamond Aridoh. Welcome, guys. So, how has been your weekend? How has been your weekend? Guys, let me put my phone to do not disturb because of people that like to call. Okay. This is what I'm going to do. Hold on, guys. Hold on. Okay. Coming. Okay. I'm back again, guys. Okay. That's what I'm doing. Hold on, guys. Hold on. Yeah, guys, welcome back. Is my internet good? Can you guys hear me? Where are you joining us from? Where are you joining us from? Where are you joining us from? Let's be fast to be able to look at what the market is presenting to us. 1 hour from now, we'll be able to decide if you are taking a trade or not, based on what I'm looking at in the market. What's up, guys? Can you guys hear me or see me? I want to believe you can all hear me or see me. Let me try and get like a background sound. That one should be doing tananan tananan in the background. Okay, so good afternoon, good beautiful afternoon. Where are you joining us from, guys? If this live ended maybe due to network, just join again, okay? Just join again. I think I need water. So where are you joining us from? Put your location in the chat box. Let's see. Put your location in the chat box and tell me how your weekend went. Is this not full? Is my background sound? Is it okay? Is it okay? It seems to be too loud for me. I don't know about you guys. Okay. I think I'm cool with it right now. Guys, welcome. Drop your location. Drop your location. Drop your location. Drop your location. Let me know where you are joining us from. Let me know where you are joining us from. Drop your location. Drop your location. Where are you joining us from? Okay. You have people joining us from Lagos, Nigeria. You are welcome. Graham Lewis joining us. Okay, Graham Lewis Simpson as rookie joining us from Delta State. You are welcome. Yeah. Danny Tech to Uni. You are here again. Where are you joining us from today? Shegun Bangboshe from Ogun State, you are welcome. Where are you joining us from today? And how is your weekend, guys? How is your weekend? As I'm talking to you, I'm using one eye to look at the market. If the market is ready for us, trust me, guys, we're gonna take it. The market is ready for us, we're gonna take it. Okay, right now I'm checking some pairs while I read where you guys are connecting us from. I'm checking some pairs right now while I read where you guys are joining us from. Okay. Okay. I definitely know that this market is forming a double top. Look at it. Okay. I think it was GBP card that we look at the other day. Guys, drop your location. I'm looking at chat. I'm looking for opportunity while we start our live stream proper. Okay. Welcome. Please, as you are coming in, keep giving it likes. Yeah. So BSA at JCD King. Alpha, my guy, JCD King. Good afternoon, chairman. I get you to my chairman. What's up? Where are you joining us from today? Alex, reborn from Enugu State. Shooting relaxation and meditation. John Edward. Okay, my guy. What's up? You are joining us from Abuja. Andy John, you are joining us from Biafra. Where is Biafra? No. Don't let's do that. Don't let's bring that here. Where are you joining us from? I never know any place called Biafra. Danny Tech to Uni is joining us from Ibadan. Shegun Bangboshe, because I think gold is going to be bullish. Okay, boss, I think gold is going to be bullish. Yeah. I'm bullish on gold too. I'm just waiting for a very good entry setup. So we enter. On Friday, I took some gold buys. I was not really settled, so I will have just shared the gold buy with you. So I just took it because I was with my phone, and that's why you need to take the knowledge serious. I had to take that decision because I was my phone and I have the knowledge. But for me to start typing the entry for you guys or tell you guys that just buy, because I took it with some certain confluence. But I'm sorry I couldn't share with you guys. But I banked some dollars on that on Friday. So today, this week is going to be another great one. Oyeni Oyewole is joining us from Ogun State. Ibrahim Ayomide, good afternoon too to you. Where are you joining us from? Chukwuemeka Nodu joining us from Abia State. Ibrahim Ayomide said is joining us from Ilorin. Sheun for you to love joining us from Ogun State. Ekemeze Michael joining us from Lagos State. Welcome, guys. Welcome to the 11th edition of Market Overview by DAOM Empire. Lokoja is where Jimson. Jimson, welcome. How you doing? How's your weekend? How's your weekend, guys? Tell me, how's your weekend goes? For me, my weekend was, you know, when you make a whole lot of money, you tend to enjoy your weekend by the grace of God. Respect to your personality, sir. I rep Lego. Oh, Dairo Oluwafemi Ayodele. Respect to you too. So, guys, today, what are we looking at in the market today? What are we going to learn today? What should we learn today? What pair should we look at? Suggestion, or I should just come up with one by myself? Come on, guys. Come on. Come on, guys. Come on. Come on, guys. Yeah. We're good. Yeah, somebody said we should look at USDJPY. It's been a while I look at that pair, just because, like, I just feel that pair is kind of feeling naughty these days. I remember I look at USDJPY early this year, beginning of this year. I just feel like it's not obeying my command. I just left it. At least I banked some money from USDJPY this year, so we might look at it. Dairo Oluwafemi Ayodele, I'm not only major on gold. As far as I'm concerned, I called a BTC USD, that's crypto. I still call a crypto idea yesterday on the private and public channel, I guess. So my own is that any pair that is ready, I don't just stick to one pair. Any pair that is, when you have this knowledge, you can be able to enter into any market, be it forex, be it currency pairs, be it stock market, be it indices, synthetic indices. Even though I've not traded synthetic indices before, I see nothing special in it. When I enter it with this knowledge, we're gonna bank some pips too. So the same thing as crypto. Just that's why I'm on you guys, that guys learn this thing. When I give instruction, follow that my YouTube video that I talked about how you can actually start from scratch. That video, I expect a lot of you to have looked at it. Start following up with the baby pips. The instruction is on that YouTube channel, so follow it. And then some of my people have been following, and they've been sending me their progress so far, which is so lovely. So if guys can be doing like that, you to do it. Take the knowledge seriously. It's not all the time that Mr. Diamond is there. At the point in time, to get to the fact that I'll just give myself 1 month full break. 1 month full break. I repeat, I'll give myself 1 month full break. And because I know that for that 1 month, I have made more than enough for that month, or I should probably just swing a trade. And I know that in the next 1 month, I'm not looking at charts. I just want to be with my family, have a nice time with my family. So when that time comes, I believe you guys, if you want to trade, you should be able to trade. That's why I'm training you before that time will come, so that you won't have to rely 100% on Mr. Diamond before you can make decisions in the market. And this is why I'm ready to teach you guys. So before we go ahead, as you are joining, keep giving it likes. Come on guys. We have fewer likes compared to people that are live here with us. Keep giving it likes. Keep giving it likes right now. Keep giving it likes right now. Guys, I'm looking at the market for horse. And what I'm seeing in the market right now, before I can make any decision, I will wait for 1 hour candle to close. On BTC, I'm still going to share my screen with you guys. I just want to see that you guys have started liking, as I've said. On BTC, I'm coming, guys. I'm coming. This week is going to be a great week for us by the grace of God Almighty. Somebody has check USD card. Okay. GBP USD. I'll look at those pairs. Just keep reminding me. from USD JPY to gold. Come on, gold is my boy. Like gold is giving me some vibes, and for the fact that gold is a volatile pair, another thing that makes me like it, but it doesn't mean that it's my major pair. Gold is very volatile. If I'm on gold trade for like, if gold give me one bullish engulfing candle into my direction, you know how much I'm going to be making compared to if USD give me one bullish candle into my direction. So gold is very volatile, so I love it. You make the money sharp. So okay, Chukwemeka say we should look at gold. Chukwemeka GBP gold all the way, but that's what Ekemeze want us to look at. Chukwemeka said we should look at US30 again. Chukwemeka, you better join us in the private channel. You want to be taking everything for free here. I pity you. This guy with error 404 at error 404 said we should look at US. Error 404, where are you joining us from? SG, what's up, my guys? Where are you joining us from today? So keep giving it likes, guys. Likes, come on, give likes. Likes is actually free. Just like it, it's free. Give it likes. Like. Just smash the like button. Smash it. Emmanuel, you're welcome. Where are you joining us from today? Where are you joining us from before we dive into the chat? Guys, for people that are trading prop firm, if you want to trade prop firm, make sure you go into my YouTube channel. I talk a lot about prop firm there, and there's a lot for you to learn, and at the same time it's a big advantage on your side to take advantage of prop firm these days. And guess what, guys, before maybe by next month April, by the grace of God, I'm coming up with something very interesting that's going to make us a lot of money. Guys, just prepare $500 ahead of this information because it's not going to come cheap. But the info is coming up by April, by the grace of God. Okay, so SG is connecting us from Dubai. Is Dubai today? I'm still coming to that side. Guess, trust me, I'm coming by the grace of God. So Alex, okay, let's go, let's catch the money. Emmanuel is joining us from Nigeria. You're welcome. Chukwemeka, I'm in the private too. Okay, you're in the private channel. That's beautiful. James, you're welcome. Good afternoon. Where are you joining us from today? Emmanuel Daniel said, I smacked the like button. My screen almost broke. Come on, guys. Gotta be kidding me. Okay, so while we smash the like button, as you are joining, just keep smashing the like button. Keep smashing. Don't let your screen break anyway. So let's go to my screen. What should we look at today? I think I said I need water the other time. Let me get myself water and go into the screen. I'm back again. James is joining us from Edo State. Mr. Handy, I greet you. Where are you joining us from today? So okay, so beautiful, guys. So keep giving it likes. Let's now go to my screen, guys. Let me show you what we are looking for in the market. Welcome to my screen, guys. Yeah. So guys, what's up? What's up? What up? What up? Today, one of those things I want us to learn is patience. One thing I want us to learn today is patience. Patience in the sense that when you've gotten an instruction, maybe from your mentor, I will start considering myself as a mentor small now, because I never see myself as a mentor. I see myself as a student now. So, but I believe I'm growing now. So as time goes on, I will start seeing myself as mentor small. But for now, I'm still a student and we are growing together. So if I'm guiding you that this is what this market will do, wait for 1 hour candle, wait for 4 hour candle. There's always a reason for those decisions, because patience is very key in trading. I say it again, patience is very key in trading. So if you can wait for what you want the market to do, you will be at peace. Now let's look at some things that has happened in the past. I said I want gold to I remember we took this trade. I said gold should just come straight to the downside, or to come here and then start going back up. He did that here. And then after he fulfilled this, he came again to fulfill this. You see, he went up, he retested, and he went up again. Now gold has actually rallied up to this level. Now for me, I'm bullish on gold. So when gold closed last week, gold closed around here, and then see what gold has done since the market opens in the midnight. Now I believe gold is just doing a retest. So this is what I'm expecting gold to do right now, and it's doing it. You see, it's coming all the way from here to this level, retested, to this level, retested. This is what I'm expecting on gold right now, and gold is doing that. Because gold is doing that, let me delete. Because gold is doing that, I will wait. If you look at 4 hour time frame, you will see the way this candle, this last 4 hours candle close. If you know candlestick pattern, you will know that this is like hammer pin bar. So when you see this kind of candle, you have to be patient, because this is like a seller pressure, and this market is bullish. So if to say we got this from a downside to the upside, we'll have a peace of mind. But because we got it from upside to the downside, we have to be patient. So that's why I'm waiting. When you switch to 1 hour time frame, I'm waiting for a bullish engulfing, at least bullish to this level. If I can get this gold to be bullish to this level, then I'll be sure it is ready to start going to the upside. Then I'll ask us to take it to this level. And guess what, guys? If you get mind, you go swing this trade, let's say from here to here. That's over 600 pips. So this is what I'm waiting for on gold right now. Do you guys got that? Let me check the chart box. Do you guys got that? Did you got that? Okay. As you say, anytime I'm coming to buy, I should let you know. Yeah. They've put some serious ban on Nigerians coming to Dubai these days. I still spoke with one of my agents in Dubai yesterday. Is it yesterday or Saturday? I don't know. Maybe Saturday or Friday. I don't know. I spoke with I communicated with him. So maybe I'll gather my earnings very well to be able to get maybe a nice apartment or a nice building in Dubai that I'm looking at that. By the grace of God, it's going to be possible by God's grace. So let's just keep bagging the pips. So Blessing is joining us from Edo, Benin City. You're welcome. Alex, yeah, give the diamond to me. Thank you. Kodri, thank you. Yeah. So I'm just coming. I was in class. So it's Sonia. Is it the same Sonia? Let me know if it's the same Sonia. If it is Miss Sonia. So guys, do you get my gold analysis? Do you get it right? Okay, NS says yes sir. Okay, so we can move to the next pair. Oh Sonia, what's up? How's your class doing? That's one of my friends that we have not even met. I just like her. She's always reasonable with her trade, and then she makes the most from the market. I like when you are so smart about your your trade. I see you going bigger, sister, and every other person that is like that too. So let's just keep the fire burning. Yeah. So let's go to another pair. Guys. Let's go to another pair. This thing is very, very simple. You asked me before I started Forex seems to be complicated. When I just started, it was looking kind of, but I used doggedness to get it right. And this time around, it looks so simple. I'll just look at whatever I want to look at, and then I'll wait for it to happen, and I'll take advantage of the market, and I'll sleep peacefully. Now you can see that this gold is not ready for a buy yet. Can you see, guys? Can you see? Until what I want to happen, until I got that bullish engulfing candle before we can make a decision to buy. If not, if I get a 4-hour candle close below this my minor level, I got a 4-hour candle close below this minor level, I will believe gold want to retrace at least up to this level, up to 1938 or 1920, 1921 or 1920, and I might take advantage of that sell too. Anyone that happens, that's how a trader should think. You should not be so adamant that you have to buy. Oh, you have to sell. No. Be flexible. Let the market tell you what it wants to do. Once the market tell you what it wants to do, then you take advantage of that thing that the market wants you to do. So let's go to another pair, which happens to be GBP USD. Now, guys, GBP USD have been messing up with. Okay, guys. So I've been messing up with the instruction I give it. It has just been going up. So, and I think it's high time I'll take advantage of GBP USD to the upside, because it has always been bullish. What I want to happen, it came here, it couldn't give me that confirmation, it started going back up. So in as much as GBP USD will sustain this my major level here, I might look at a buy opportunity to this level. So, but before I make that decision, I will need a bullish engulfing candle to close above here. I'll need a bullish engulfing candle to close above here. So until then, I'll make my decision. I'm looking at what price has done before. Okay, I can still take advantage. Let's just see a 4-hour candle close above that line. We could take GBP USD for a buy, but until that happens, we rest on our fingers. So let's look at Euro USD. Euro USD is coming up to do what I asked it to do. I actually want Euro USD to test this level before we start taking it to the downside, or it break this my trend line. It break this my trend line together with breaking this my minor level to this upside, to this downside with a 4-hour candle closure. Then I might take advantage. Until that happens. I ain't doing anything. So let me just leave DXY. DXY is just doing whatever I feel like it should do. Sometimes I look at DXY to use as extra confirmation or extra confluences. But sometimes I don't even look at DXY. I just make my decisions. So USD CHF. Is there anything to look out for USD CHF? Okay, I see this as a falling wedge, and if you get a falling wedge, that's an indication that market want to buy. Let's look at it. I see this as a falling wedge, and this market is bullish. Can you see it from here? At least if this market can close above here, my own is just that as I've been analyzing this thing now, just for me to be able to come and check it again, and that's why we missed that NAS 100 trade, paying me small. So by God's grace, I'll make sure we look at it. So now USD CHF can, if a 4-hour candle can break above this line, then I will know that the consolidation has ended and we want to continue heading to the upside. And if not, if it break below this major level to the downside, then we can take it for itself. So we move to the next pair, USD JPY. Somebody said we should look at USD JPY. Now we are on USD JPY. USD JPY is now coming to the downside. It has gotten here, it has reversed to the upside. Let me extend this here. So it has gotten here, it has reversed to the downside, to the upside. So let's wait for this level to be broken. If it broke, we can short USD JPY. We can short USD JPY to this level, but we need a 4 hours candle to be broke to be sure that this thing wants to continue this downside, because you can see from here that it has given us like 1, 2, 3. We want to give us something like head and shoulder pattern. If you look at it, let me delete this line. If you look at it, this look like a left shoulder. This look like a right shoulder. And this look like the head. So this look like head and shoulder pattern forming. So this is a reversal pattern as far as technical analysis is concerned, and we have since it has broken the neckline here, it has started dropping down. I've not been looking at it, that's why. If not, we'll have cashed this. So let's wait for a 4 hour candle to close below this minor level, then we can take it to this level. So that's that on USD JPY. Let's go to another pair, GBP JPY. I've not been looking at GBP JPY too. I've not been looking at GBP JPY too. Let me go to monthly time frame on GBP JPY. Let me see where the overall direction of the market. Let me have a proper overview of what GBP JPY is doing right now. Okay, so this is like a downtrend. This is like a downtrend. This is like it was reversing to the upside. Okay, now I understand the reason why I've not been looking at GBP JPY. I actually want the BBJPY to break below this major level here to give me an extra confirmation that it wants to start coming to the downside. This is the reason why I've not been looking at it. So let's go back to 4 hours time frame. So now we have some kind of a minor level here that is holding this market from going to the downside if we look at it. So we can just do something like this. We can do something like this. This thing is not straight, sure. Okay, let's just wait for a proper 4-hour candle close below DBP-JPY. We can consider taking it to this red line or to this level, because this red line happens to be the trend line I drew from the monthly time frame. So you can see this is the trend line I'm talking about. I drew from the monthly time frame. So we either eat here, we take our profit here, or eat here. So if we can get a proper close to this downside, which likely might happen this week or not, then we'll know that GBP USD has retested this trend line and we want to start continue going down. Biko, do you understand? So let's look at another pair. AUD USD messed itself up. I said this thing want to form a double top. If you look at it from 1 hour time frame, you will see that this is a double top. Forget about that this one was higher. It's looking like a double top because look at it. But because it has closed above, because I got this candle close above, I had to get out of this trade that I've entered since last week. Though I took some partial profit, but you know, it finally took me out. So now it has been coming into profit and going back. For now, let me just delete this. I'm not interested in AUD USD until I get AUD USD break below, do something like this. You know, since I've drawn this thing since last week, break this level, retest it, then we can now be sure. So for now, I'm not doing anything with AUD USD. So USD card, somebody said we should check USD card the other time. Let me even check. Are you guys getting? Are you guys with me? Because I'm just busy looking at the chart. I'm not looking at the feedback from you guys. Are you guys with me? Best gaming world. Should we wait for you to give the signal or should we enter ourselves? On what pair is that? I don't understand why you said that. Alex Reborn says Sonia, what's up? Okay, you too, you know Sonia. Showing for you to love, complicating for me at the moment. What's complicating for you? Showing for you. Emmanuel says I should stay in Nigeria. Why will I stay in Nigeria, brother? Why will I stay in a country where the leaders are imposing themselves on the citizens? Or the politicians, they are not leaders. The politicians are imposing themselves on the citizens. And so I'm not sorry to say this. It's actually the truth. Some people that are foolish are still supporting them. I'm not sorry to say that. Some people that are foolish are still supporting them. So once you are upright in your upstairs, you know that we all need a country that works. if this country can now not work because of these politicians that are imposing themselves on us, then you start rethinking, because you need to raise your child, you need to raise your family, you need to um ordinary living that we are born here. Life is already leading a whole lot of us. Maybe by one or two, or so, a Ghanaian said life is leading us by hat-trick. Life is leading them by hat-trick. So if you are born in Ghana, so talk less of now talk about Nigeria, because I have lived in Ghana for some times, and I can tell you categorically that there's a lot of things that Ghana is a way better than us in terms of their government, especially the electricity aspect. So, but what are we talking about here? When you go to the hospital to get a proper treatment, proper service of the health workers, and they keep treating you like you are nothing. They keep treating your loved ones like you are nothing, because they don't have any government or anybody to hold them responsible, because they know it's a corrupt government. Nobody's going to ask you, do anyhow you are. And then when you are when your life and the life of your loved ones are so dear to you, and God has blessed you financially and given you the privilege to relocate to any part of the world you want, you pick carefully and go to the country that works. That's it. So I'm a Yoruba person, but I'm not blind in the head, and I'm not a bigotry. I thank God for the kind of person He created me. So for people that are supporting this, the corrupt government, they are not might, they are foolish in the head. If I know you, I will not have anything to do with you again. It's just simple as that, because we are fighting for your own future, but you are not seeing it. I'm sorry, I have to speed this out in my live session for the people that are in Nigeria. So until when God is actually ready to help us take over this country from all these corrupt people, then we can now start thinking of, Nigeria is, we want to stay in Nigeria, we don't want to leave Nigeria. There's nothing as beautiful as living in Nigeria, enjoying your own country, and then you just take a vacation to any country of the world you want. Go to any country of the world you want, spend like 1 month, 2 months, enjoy your vacation with you and your family, and come back to your home country. But where is the home country? Even if you have a big dreams here in Nigeria, Nigeria will not fit you. Do you know why? You can't buy a Lamborghini or Ferrari and drive it on the road of Nigeria without considering, should I take it? Should I go to this place, or should I not go to this? You will be limited. You won't be able to drive your Ferrari anywhere you want, because the roads are bad and the government don't care. So let's just move on. What matters right now is for you to focus on what is going to actually liberate you by the grace of God in your financial journey. When you are liberated, you make your decision, you relocate to any part of the world you want. Even if they are saying you should not enter that country, buy a house in that country, you become your automatic resident. So when you have the money, you'll be able to make those decisions. So until then, guys, we move. So Nigeria is a country. Don't say Nigeria is not a country. It is those politicians that that turn into what they turn into. So now, Emmanuel, reason what I'm saying. The reason why you are telling me to stay in Nigeria, I don't understand. So now, people like Sonia right now, she's enjoying overseas. Just don't want to mention that country that you are. They are enjoying that place. Keep enjoying. Can be able to tell the way it is in Nigeria compared to where you are right now, in terms of the government support, government basic things, provision of government to basic things. No, Christiana Shamaka say I took advantage of the message you dropped in your public channel about AXA being bullish and back 59 pips. Congratulations, Shamaka. I hope you join us in a private channel soon. Congratulations for bagging 59 pips, because I said gold is bullish. Now Ibrahim Ayomide, okay, he says sure. Chukwu Emeka no do, yes sir. Okay, that means again, yes we are. So for you to love, just responding to what you said. Forest was just responding to what you said. Forest was when you first started. I don't understand. Okay. BJ's thing abi best thing say on gold. On gold, I've told you what we are waiting for. If I'm online, if I'm not online, just take it. I've told you what we are waiting for on gold. I've told you what we are waiting for on gold. We just need a bullish engulfing candle. So Graham Lewis, Nigeria is a country. Let's just know it's a country. It's those leaders, it's those politicians that are just making, it is now that they are letting people know that there's a tribe from another tribe. Just a bunch of funny people. Danny Tech to uni say 2-0 in Nigeria. Abio, life is already leading you 2-0 if you are born in Nigeria. Andy Jones say real talk. It's alright. Emmanuel say exactly. Now you see. So we need to get our own money to leave this country and do it without second thought. I pray about it still. Alex, pray about it. Pray about it. Don't say you do it without a second thought. Pray about it. Pray about it. But it's a decision to make right now. Ernest Oguabi say no be lie, boss. My phone self go soon off. No electricity. You can imagine. Graham Lewis was laughing. Emmanuel no car. Graham Lewis says okay. That the time to uni say I just need forex money today. Enjoy life for my corner. It's alright now. Sonia said yes. When you buy property or invest in anything, you are a citizen. Sonia, now you are seeing what I'm saying. So what do you need to do that? Make money. And this is going to make us the money by the grace of God. So if they say one thing, you cannot enter the country, it's because they feel like you are going to cause more harm than good to them. Maybe you want to come and consume their economy. But if they find out that you are going to add value to their economy, come on, they welcome you. So Dubai is a bay, Canada is a bay, Qatar is a bay, Saudi is a bay. Those are the countries I like. So Graham Lewis said dollar is higher every day. Abio, best in day. Okay, thanks, sir. Graham Lewis said so we need to get this dollar and forget about naira. Abi, yes, forget naira. So now let's go back to the chart. I guess you guys are flowing with me. If you have not liked, make sure you like. Let's go back to the chart. Let's look at another opportunity that the market might have for us. Welcome back, guys. So now, having talked about USD card, have I talked about USD card? I've not talked about USD card, but what I'm waiting for USD card is very, very visible. Look at it, guys. If I want to go bullish on USD card, I will want this trend line to be broken. It's as simple as that. I will want this trend line to be broken, like a 4 hours candle, to break above. I've even analyzed this market before because I can see my yellow drawing. Okay, you see, I've analyzed it before. The next direction for USD card is up here, unless it broke our minor level, our new major level. If it didn't break it, we are looking at USD card to the upside. So until this trend line is broken properly, let me just direct this here. Until this trend line is broken, this is a falling wedge. If you can get this falling wedge to break above, then you can take USD card to the upside. Guys, just keep reminding me to check these pairs so that we can always take advantage. So now GBP card that I talked about on Friday, you can see GBP card is either going to do any of these things. I said it that it's either GBP card break below this trend line, break below this minor level, and we start seeing it drop to the downside, or it break above this major level retest it, and then start seeing it to the upside. So it is still making a decision. So right now I ain't gonna do anything, not doing anything. We're gonna wait for it to happen. So for the person that asked me to look at for the person that asked me to look at US30, the reason why I have not been talking about US30 is because US30 has not done what I asked it to do. If you look at this thing that I draw here, let me just drag it a little bit. Look at this, my yellow, because this yellow thing is what I used to give I used to look at the instruction I'm giving the chart. I want this market to break up below. It has broken below. I want it to come and retest this level. This place no be moi level. If you join USD 30 sell now, I'm sorry, you might be stop out, you might make money. I can't gamble. I don't want us to gamble. So I want it to still gather that strength to come and retest here. Once you retest here, it's a confirmation that, and I get a confirmation candle that you want to start going to the downside, then we take you. Until that happens, we rest on our finger. So that's on US30. Now 100. This was the move we missed. No, I think it was this move. It paid me small, but this market is now looking like it's coming up. I have not gotten any I've not gotten any confirmation that NAS is bearish right now. So what I'm waiting for is for you to break above this level, retest it, then take it to the upside. Or if you can break below this level to the downside, then you take it to the downside. So BTC guy, I got this trade yesterday. Look at it right now. It's still in profit, though I'm out of this trade at the moment. I'm out of this trade because once this market get to this level yesterday, I adjusted my stop loss to break even, and I took 50% of my position. So I left the remaining 50% with break even. And waking up this morning, I see that it has took me out, and after took me out, it started going back up. I didn't take it again. Why? Because I know there is a minor resistance here that is affecting this market from going above. If I can get this market to now close above, a 4-hour candle close above this minor level that I draw here, then we are going to take BTC to 30,500 or 30,600. I'm going to take BTC to 30,600 because there's another major level in 30,900 or so. So I'm going to take, so I'll just wait for this thing to happen before we take BTC to the upside. So that is that about that. Let me answer question. Any question, my nigga? Any question? Yes, that's it. Adapt to learning and make money. That's all. Sonia said, hopefully by tomorrow, PS will move. Today is Monday and nothing is really happening. Yeah, it happens like that. So make it just, Danny take to uni say, make market just looking dull today. Can't even get good entry unless for scalping. Yes, unless for scalping, and I don't scalp. So, guys, any question or we call it a day. Now we know what we are waiting for on all these pairs. Like every of the pairs that are analyzed now, we know where we are waiting for. That's beautiful. That's for me, that's beautiful. It's beautiful for people that Nigeria don't suffer your head well. Sometimes to have 1,000 naira to meet up with your daily needs sometimes thoroughly challenging, and you become somebody that is now withdrawing thousands of dollars. There's a lot of things that must have changed in your life. So That's why the knowledge is very, very beautiful. So now I know what I'm waiting for in the market, and once the market presents me what I'm waiting for, I'll take advantage of it, and then we'll make more money. That's how beautiful it is. And before we know it, we start withdrawing heavy thousands of dollars, graduating to 6-figure, 7-figure, we hit $1 million. It will get there. We will get there by the grace of God. It's not by our doing, but by God's doing. Just make sure you pay your own price too. When you are giving instruction, follow the instruction. When I told you to do this, do it. We'll all get there. You say I should check gold again. Okay. Let me check gold again. Okay, 1 hour candle has closed. Let me check gold again. Let me see what gold has in offer. Let me share my screen so that you guys can see what I'm seeing. Okay, gold is doing as if it wants to come up. Nah. That's not. You know what we are going to do? This is what we are going to do. This is not a bullish engulfing candle. Before you can call it a bullish engulfing, it has to be grown than this. So let's wait for another 1 hour candle to close above here like this. Let's look at another 1 hour candle. If you can get another 1 hour candle to close above this white line, which is 1992, the year they gave birth to some people. Some people never even come live that time. Well, me, I don't deja. Let's wait for gold for 1 hour candle of gold to close above 1992. If you can close above 1992, don't even wait for me. I'm saying it now. Don't wait for me. Take a buy. Take a buy and put your stop loss to be maybe 1984 or so. Maybe 1984. Or if you want to stay safe, put your stop loss to 1974. If you want to stay safe, but that's a lot of pips. So, but you can now ride it to the upside to 2060 or 2050, anyone. So until then, guys, let's still be observing what the market is doing. So all this thing that we are waiting for is what is going to give us a peace of mind while we enter into the trade, and the trade will likely go in our direction by God. So that's that. I've checked gold again. Okay, so sure, nice one. So now that should be all for now, guys. That should be all. Any question? Let me give us like 2 minutes. Any question before we call it a day? Any question before we call it a day? Any question? Any question? Any question before we call it a day? I'm waiting. Where can you see zone from MT5? What kind of question is that? I don't understand. What do you mean by where can you see zone from MT5? Let's wait for gold to close above 1992. Let's wait for gold to close above 1992. 1 hour candle close above 1992, then we can take it. I'm waiting. I've done what you asked me to do so I can get to the private channel, boss. What's that? Message me in Telegram, Emmanuel. What did I ask you to do? I believe you're already in the private channel now. Oh, okay. Okay, I guess you're the one that messaged me in the middle of the night. Okay, message me. Please, when did you say we should buy gold? I had a network failure. 1992 Emmy Wealth. 1992. Yes, above 1992. 1 hour above 1992. Okay, I remember something. Sonia, if you are still here, I don't know if you are here, but if you are here, kindly DM me on Telegram. I want to ask you something. Graham Lewis, the question you are asking, if I want to draw a line as a zone, where am I going to enter? I don't draw a line as a zone, I draw my zones. Go and watch the video I asked you to watch. Okay, Sonia, go and watch the video I asked you to watch. Go to my YouTube channel. I'm going to post it again to the private and to the public and private channel today. For anybody that has not started their learning, their knowledge, go and start it. Once you finish that course that I asked you to go through, it's absolutely free, but some people are saying they're asking for tips about $5 or $10. Give it to them. What you are getting from them is way more than that. I paid $350 a month when I started this forex. So be ready to sacrifice and pay price for your own future too. So once you finish that instruction I give you on that video, you'll be able to understand when I started telling you my major zones, my minor zones, and all of those things, and you understand how to draw it yourself. Take knowledge very serious. If you are making money, if you are taking trade, let's prioritize learning it yourself too. That is the best freedom you can give to yourself. And for all of you that are hearing me, what the instruction I gave on gold is 1 hour. Let me type it. 1 hour candle close above 1992. You can take a buy on gold. So let me just wait for this thing to come up. Network is doing as if it's slow. I need to make a call. I just remembered. I need to make a call. Okay. So I believe everybody has hear me. You all heard me, right? Okay. 1 hour. 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 1 ho Yeah. My network is kind of slow. I don't know if it is the network. I know some messages are pending for me to read. Let me just be patient. Okay. Okay, Emmanuel, how did you fund your account? Shuaibu Justice, you can fund your account through bank. If you are in Nigeria, you can fund your account through bank transfer. Though it has been a challenge during the bank transfer, but I usually still recommend it because that's the safest. Because of when you want to withdraw, you can withdraw directly back to your bank account. But if you want to do bank transfer, try it in the midnight. I think the midnight transfer goes. Try it in the midnight. And if you are the type that you know how to use Binance very well, though if you have messaged me, I will have sent you the channel where I have a screenshot of how to actually take advantage of the Binance. I screenshot how you are going to follow the instruction. You can use that too to fund your account. So in case you are having any challenge in funding your account. You can see what Emmanuel said. He said, I followed the instruction. I was able to fund it. I bet you've gotten the link. Okay, I bet you've gotten the link to the instruction. Yeah, so that's that about that. And I've given instruction on that gold buy. So for now, guys, let's just keep observing what I see. And if you want to come back to watch this video to understand what we are waiting for, maybe in case of tomorrow, you can just come back and watch the video. And then, in fact, if you watch the video, you can see the way I draw my stuff. You can mimic it and draw your own too while you are still learning. Okay, so you can come back and watch this video. So I think we are calling it a day from here, guys. So thank you. If you know you've gotten value from here, let me see some appreciation from you. If you know you've gotten value, we didn't get a trade idea though, but we got value. I believe we got value. Okay. I see a lot of people selling gold. They must be a scalper. I see a lot of people selling gold. I don't criticize any trader, even if their analysis is against my own analysis. I don't criticize them. Do you know what would let us know who is right? The market. The market will prove who is right, who is wrong. But I don't like scalping. It's alright. Much love, guys. Much love. So let me just call it a day from here. This is past 1. I think we had our live session for over 1 hour today. Wow. And it was engaging. I love it. So see you guys tomorrow by the grace of Almighty God. And then probably all we have analyzed today will have been ready tomorrow, and then we'll take advantage. Some might even be ready today. So bye from here, guys. Let's call it a day. Keep winning, and always remember that Diamond Aridoh does love you guys. Bye from here, guys.